Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Take a look at the market today. As you guys know, it took a dump on us, bro. It dumped all the way down to 97K again. ETH at 3,400. This show was nice looking at Bitcoin over 100K again.
Target practice, baby.
But you can just look down here. Look, everything is just dumping like crazy. I don't think the dump is super stupid hard, but at the same time, it's hard enough, to the point where, you're kind of upset. I mean, I really didn't. I mean, what kind of bags do people have? People must got some serious bags out there, some serious bags, because I mean, I don't know about y'all, but my bag is not really moving. So I don't know, but we're gonna see. But I just pulled up a couple of charts here, just to take a look at what's going on. This is gonna be zero, bro. Had some of these AI agents that I was taking a look at, but we're still waiting. I got my little line, did some little TA yesterday. Like I said, I'm kind of thinking that it's gonna dip down to that 300K mark. I mean, there's a chance that it could bounce. It could bounce, but it looks like the bulls are trying, but the bears are in the house without getting a big straight line. Blah 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 blah. We'll see when it decides to break out. It does not have to come all the way down. There's a chance where it could reach that 346 somewhere around there and bounce. But we're just gonna have to kind of wait and see. Let's go ahead and take a look at graphene. This is another one. I actually yesterday grabbed a bag of that zero, bro. Okay, so I'm actually in the red. Hooray! So graphene on Solana. I was gonna get a bag of this. I was waiting, so you can see I kind of had these already marked off. The 200 mil. And this is about the 360 mil. So I was imagining that we're gonna actually revisit this 360 mil somewhere around here before we bounce. But it looks like it's starting to prove me wrong, which is a good thing there, which might make this hopefully maybe a small accumulation area. We just have to wait on the upcoming candles and kind of see what's going on. But if it does kind of floor itself there and kind of create like a bit of an accumulation area, there's a chance that it still could go down, but at the same time, that is also a good sign that we're looking for that next leg up. Okay, so that's graphene. It is on a small downtrend right now. Let's actually grab our measuring tape just to see where we're at. So right now we're somewhere around 15 to 17%, something like that down. But it looks like we're in the green as of now, but we're just gonna have to wait it out. This is GOAT. Man, GOAT is just, GOAT, if you sit around and watch the order book, you can just watch how many people are getting trapped. Especially, let me see if we pull our brush up here. This is a really good space right here. Everybody, they bought in, tried to accumulate there. Had a nice run. Everybody's ready. Everybody's buying in. Let's go. Next thing you know, as of the 14th of December, GOAT started to drop. GOAT dropped about 57%. So right now we're sitting at 444 mil. And I could still see us revisiting this 400 mil mark around here, around that 400 and maybe 12 mil, 416 mil mark. But that's probably before we see a bounce. But we're gonna have to wait and kind of check it out. This is ICP. Okay, ICP is not really doing anything. We're actually in the red now. Looks like it's kind of pulling back just a tiny bit. We're just gonna have to wait it out on ICP as well. Let's see, I don't even know if my MOG chart, okay, MOG loaded up properly. This is gonna be the 4-hour chart. Let's reset the view, and it looks like we're in a nice sharp downtrend right here. Jump. Let's see, so that's a strong downtrend. I'm imagining if we're able to get through this 930 mil mark, if we can get through here, there's a good chance we're going to revisit that 788 mil mark. But that's a good thing, though. That could be a nice accumulation area if you guys do believe in the project. Not financial advice, but I mean, that's something that I would do. Okay, this is going to be Link. Last chart we're going to take a look at today. Link's just been kind of doing its own thing, kind of working its way up the ladder nice and slow. We're sitting at 13.8 billion. I think Link is gonna start running. I feel like some people that were messaging me, I kind of feel like them, like, when is it gonna start running? I noticed that some altcoins are running, but then there's a lot of altcoins that they might minorly be running, but they're not really running. See, we have our little, just call this our little cup area. This is where it's been kind of flirting around since like maybe May of 2022. It did not decide to jump out of this cup area until around October of 23. Then it started to come up, but as you can see, we are in like one of those other little formations. You can just call this our little cup, and then we broke out, but we also returned here. So it's still a good, to me, just depends. Not really too sure on where Link's gonna go, but I think it should go a lot higher than what it is. Once we get through that 22 billion mark, I think that there's a good chance Link's gonna be super running. But once again, we're just gonna have to wait and see. But overall, the market is a little down today. If you are gonna accumulate, I probably would, you know what I mean? I'll probably pick up a little bit more MOG or something like that, kind of check it out. Before you guys do decide to accumulate anything, check these charts. None of this is financial advice, but just telling you guys some stuff that I do. I wouldn't even buy crypto if I were you guys, because you could lose all your money. Okay, so we're just looking at this. Dominance is looking pretty good. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.